Let's have a look at Xiaomi's all-new Redmi Note 8 Pro. In the box, you'll find the phone itself, some instruction manuals, a basic protective case, an 18-watt charger with cable, and a SIM eject tool. Redmi Note 8 Pro features a 6.53-inch dot-drop display with front and rear Corning Gorilla Glass 5. It's built to prevent daily wear and tear. The glossy frame and curved rear back cover are designed to be incredibly comfortable in hand. With advanced chip-on-film tech, the bottom chin height has been reduced to just 4.2 millimeters. The fingerprint sensor is located below the camera in the same frame, giving the sensor a subtle look. Unlock, lock, unlock, lock. The glass rear coloring has a linear reflection effect, and here you'll find 4 cameras: a 64-megapixel ultra-high-resolution wide camera, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera, a 2-megapixel macro camera, and a 2-megapixel depth camera. The quad camera could basically satisfy all your needs for photography. Now, let's take a look of how good they are. First, why does 64 megapixel matter to you? Because it offers you more details than ever. One 64 megapixel photo can be printed on a poster up to 3.26 meters tall. With these comparison shots, you can easily see the difference between the regular and ultra-wide-angle lenses. By combining the 64 megapixel sensor and depth sensor, Redmi Note 8 Pro's powerful AI-powered portrait mode allows you to create beautiful background blur. And add special effects such as dynamic bokeh and add studio lighting. What's special about the macro lens is that it offers 2 to 10 centimeter autofocus, a feature not found often even in the few smartphones that have macro lenses. On the front, you'll find a 20 megapixel selfie camera. On the bottom of the phone, you'll find a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack next to a USB Type-C port that supports 18-watt fast charge for its 4500 milliamp-hour battery, which is Redmi Note's biggest ever. In optimal conditions, Redmi Note 8 Pro offers up to 2 days, 6 hours of battery life for calls, 19 hours for videos, or 9 hours for gaming. Redmi Note 8 Pro is powered by the new MediaTek Helio G90T, which is perfectly designed for gaming, and also offers reduced touchscreen input lag. Alongside this, Redmi Note 8 Pro offers improved Wi-Fi connection thanks to the new Wi-Fi X antenna. So you could hold the phone like this, or this without losing Wi-Fi signal. Also, Redmi Note 8 Pro is equipped with the latest liquid cool technology to prevent performance drops due to high temperature. You can say Redmi Note 8 Pro is designed for gamers. Last but not least, Redmi Note 8 Pro offers the Redmi Note series' very first multifunctional NFC, usable for a broad number of situations such as payment, card readers, and more. Redmi Note 8 Pro, a complete upgrade.